Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the headlight bulbs on Porsche Cayenne. We'll turn the lights on to see which bulb is not working. We can see the right bulb is working, but the left bulb is not working, so that's the bulb that we need to replace. I'll show you how to replace the left bulb. Replacing the right bulb is a similar procedure. First, here we need to remove the air filter box. Here on this side, we need to remove again the air filter box. This car has two air filter boxes because it's a V8 engine. We're going to start by removing this air hose, and also we need to remove the MAF sensor. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the air filter cover. It's held by a couple of metal clips, so we need to unlock them and pull out the air filter cover. That's the air filter cover out. Next we're going to remove the air filter, and also we're going to remove the bolt holding the air filter box. That's the bolt right there. Now that the bolt is removed, if you can remove the air filter box, just remove it and you have good access to the headlight bulbs. In my case, I can't remove it because this car has LPG and one of the holes for the LPG goes through it and there is not much space to remove it. I'll give you two options on how to remove and replace the headlight bulb. If you can't remove the air filter box, you need to move to at least bring it forward so that it makes enough space behind it to reach the headlight bulb. So one of the options to remove it is just you put your hand in there and you'll be able to see where the cover for the headlight bulb is, right there where this metal clamp is. You need to unlock that and remove the headlight bulb cover. The other way you can get to the headlight bulb is, while the air filter box is like brought forward like this, is you remove the wheel arch liner, and from the bottom you can get access to the headlight bulb. You see over there, that's the headlight bulb cover. You need to unlock this metal clip, remove the cover, and then you have access to the headlight bulb and you can replace it. I'm not gonna show you the exact procedure of how to replace it because it's like on any car, and also I don't have enough space to make a video while replacing the bulb, so that's what I'm only going to show you. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.